everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Circle K. In order to sign up and get started with Circle K, the first thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded this Circle K application on your mobile device. Once you've done that, launch it open. The first interface of Circle K will look like this. Simply tap on the Get Started button at the bottom of the screen. Now, enter a mobile phone number in the text box, or if you want to sign up using email, tap on Sign in with email. Enter an email address or your mobile phone number in the first text box. Once you are done, tap on Let's Go. Now, make sure that you type in a mobile phone number on the next page. After typing in the phone number, on the next field, create a password for your account. While creating a password, make sure that you enter the required criteria. Once the criteria matches, if you want to receive rewards, deals and updates about Circle K and its affiliates and subsidiaries, tap on this little square box at the bottom. You can also unselect the box if you don't want to receive those updates and then click on Continue. Once you are done, you will then be able to sign up. And that is how you will be able to get started and register for Circle K. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.